Hi, everybody. I'm Trin Johnson, and welcome to Dust in My Eye. So, I got a set of Gonsai Tambi um, watercolors, the Art Nouveau set from Kuretake, about, I don't know, a year ago or so. And the package came so banged up that I repackaged it into these two tins. And I have a whole video where I make these tins, paint on them and such, and rehome my paints. But I tend to only paint with these paints, um, loose watercolor, just kind of for fun stuff. I don't ever paint, I don't want to say seriously, but like landscapes or anything with them. And I thought, I should try that. The colors are not what I typically see in a landscape that I am painting from, but I am going to try and be adaptable. So I thought, I don't get to use them often enough for that reason, so I'm going to just try this. So if that sounds like fun to use, please stick around. And if you could give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, that would be wonderful. And let's get started. I'm going to give them a little spray. They have almost a gouache-like quality, and I love these colors. They just aren't what I see when I see a landscape, at least around here. So I think that's what's always stopping me from using it. I'm going to set this other palette aside because I don't think I'm going to need it. And get these just where I can just get to the paint. I don't know. We'll see how this works. Let me zoom in a little bit. There is no reference because this is all there. That's good. Coming out of my head, for better or worse. I'm just trying to use things that I've painted before that are back in the recesses of my brain. And this is going to be very quick, but I just want to play with these paints so badly. So let's just give the sky area some water. In fact, I think I'll do the whole page. I'm using a Fabriano Artistico block, 100% cotton. I like these little blocks. Some pretty blue. Don't have any real ideas here. Just kind of playing along. It's quite wet down there. Just trying to imagine a tree line. It's very bleak outside right now. Well, it's still dark, but it's kind of gloomy. Just trying to bring up some trees in front of the others, like the front of the tree line. And that can kind of be the back. They're such lovely colors. Oh, that's too much water. I didn't think these paints moved a lot, but they are moving a lot. Surprisingly, to me. Of course, the paper's very wet, but still, that's really cool. I would like to get some wildflowers. I will use a skinnier one. Easier to get the far away flowers with a smaller brush. It's still so wet. Keep thinking I have enough of a shadow, and then it just kind of absorbs into the other colors, and it's not, I'm not getting, my contrast is not there anymore. All right, I'm going to hit it with a hairdryer and let it dry. It's surprising how long that paper held that water. It was a lot longer than I thought it would. That's not the color I want. I'm not really sure about the composition here, but the colors are very pretty. I think. Just get another row, a little more depth. I just want something that's in the foreground here a little more. To kind of frame it. All right, I think I'm going to call it quits. Or done, or however you want to say it. There is no Payne's Gray or Indigo in this set. So I'm going to use this dark blue to sign my name. There we go. Well, that was kind of interesting. Like I said, I've never tried to do just a straight landscape out of this set. I just didn't occur to me, I guess. And that was kind of enjoyable. So I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for coming along with me. And thank you so much for watching. If you would like to, please check out my Etsy shop where I've prints of my artwork, along with cute little monsters and other fun stuff for sale.